OPEC turns 50 today, but half a century after its founding. What's its role in 21st century? We'll be talking live to the OPEC Secretary-General, Abdullah El-Badri, at 10 o'clock London time. But before that, Bloomberg's John Cookson takes a look at where the organisation came from and where it's going.
Baghdad, September 1960. Representatives of Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela held a meeting. It was buried in the newspaper headlines of the day, noticed by few other than the major oil companies. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries was born. Suddenly, the oil-producing countries had asserted sovereign rights over their resources, and with that, the power to control the price.
It's not always been entirely successful in creating market stability, but it has made a significant contribution. And without that contribution, the instability and the price volatility would have been far worse.
Fast forward 50 years, and OPEC currently has 12 member countries. But non-OPEC nations like Russia are pumping more of the world's oil, and the quest for alternative fuels like ethanol inevitably eats into the oil market. The last time OPEC really flexed its muscles was with an embargo on countries supporting Israel in the Middle East war of 1973.
Panic buying drove the free market price of oil up to $17 a barrel.
So in 2010, has OPEC's major influence been broken?
They will have the strong development ahead for emerging economies on their back, and this tailwind for incremental oil demand will also help them keep prices high and stay around as a powerful cartel.
I suspect OPEC is going to be around for as long as oil is a major source of energy. How long that will be, of course, is a rather different story.
Overall demand for oil is growing, with the US alone predicted to need another 7 million barrels a day by 2030. And with thirst on that scale, OPEC's coffers and its influence will most likely remain a powerful force for many years ahead. John Cookson, Bloomberg.